Children, let's learn reference book Viva. Chapter number 12. Lines, angles and triangles in 5th standard. In 5th standard. Today I am introduced about some lines. What is a line? These all topics to learn in 4th standard. Again here revise it. Point. A point is just a dot on a paper. Point. What is the point? Point is just a dot on a paper. Next one, line segment. When we take a 2 point and join them scale, we get a line segment. Here we take a 2 point A and point B and join with a ruler and we get a line. This line is called line segment. Ray. A line segment that extends on one side is called ray. Here keep here one point and draw here line. This line is called ray. Ray PQ. Ray PQ. This line segment written as line segment AB and ray PQ written as ray PQ. Line. A line segment that extends on both sides. Line segment extend on both sides is called a line. Is called a line. In a line, two types are there: straight line and curved line. In straight line, here vertical line, horizontal line and slanting line are there. In straight line, vertical line, horizontal line and slanting line. And curved lines, here this type of curved line and this type of also curved line are there. Angles. What is the angle? When two rays meet at a common point. When two rays meet at a common end point, an angle is formed. When two rays meet at a common end point, an angle is formed. Here one ray QP and another ray is QR. These both are called arm. These both are called arms. And this end point is called vertex. This end point is called vertex. And this in between two, this one is called angle. This one is called angle. Here angle, mainly 4 types of angles. In angle, how many type of? Mainly 4 type of angle. Right angle. What is the right angle? Two vertical line join and make a angle. Two vertical line join and make a angle. Acute angle. Acute angle means what? Less than right angle. Less than right angle is called acute angle. Less than the angle less than right angle, this angle is called acute angle. Obtuse angle, angle greater than a right angle, this type of angle is called obtuse angle. Straight angle, two adjoining right angle form a straight angle. Two adjoining right angle form a straight angle. Here this type of angle is called straight angle. Now next, measuring angle using protractor. This is called protractor. Protractor is this type of protractor in your compass box. Look it properly. This type of protractor it in your compass box. So look here, ma'am also here made one protractor. we have learnt about different type of angles. We have already learned about different type of angles: right angles, acute angles, obtuse angles, straight angles. More than 4 type of angles we learned. So here we have learned about different type of angles. Angles are measured in a degrees. Angles are measured in a degrees. The symbol used for degree is this. Symbol used for degree is this. This is called protractor. This is called protractor. In protractor, one side 0 to 180 and another side also 0 to 180. Inner side, inner scale, this one inside scale, this called inner scale, and outer side means outer scale. Here in center, here 0, in center here center point, here also called, here right here also 0. This is called center point. This line is called baseline. First we arrange baseline on a line, on a horizontal line. So this line is called baseline. This one outside number is called outer scale, inside number is called inner scale. Now look here how to measure this angle. How to measure this angle? So first this base arrange in horizontal line. Then this arrow keep on vertex. Then look here, this side of 0 we are arrange here on line. So 0 to here 40. So this angle's measurement is 40 degree. 40 degree. This type of measure to angle. Now measurement of angles. Measurement of angles. Right angle. Right angle's measurement is 90 degree. 90 degree. Acute angle. An acute angle is less than a right angle. So it is a more than a 0 but less than a 90. It is more than 0 but less than 90. An obtuse angle is more than a right angle. So it is more than 90 but less than 180. A straight angle measure 180 degree. Now exercise number 12.1, question number 1. Measure the following angles using a protractor. Measure the following angle using the protractor. Here some angles are already drawn, so you measure it and write the angle's actual measurement. So keep the base on line and arrange the red on vertex. Then inside you check it, this what it is 0 to 52. So angle COD is equal to 52 degree. Now next one, first same base arrange on horizontal line and red mark on vertex completely. Then check it, 20 out of 1, 2, 3 and 4. So angle ABC is equal to 24 degree. Same as it is, keep the baseline on horizontal line and on vertex the red. So it is 90 degree. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Then same as first arrange the line, baseline on horizontal line, keep the red dot on vertex, then check it, 131 to 1. So angle OAB is equal to 132 degree. Same as it is, first keep the arrow on vertex, then baseline check it, then outer side layer you check it, 0 to here 110, 100 5, 6, 7, 8. So angle XYZ is equal to 108 degree. Same as it is. First keep red on vertex, then baseline, match it, then look here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, then 55, 56 and 57. So angle M and L is equal to 57 degree. 57 degree. Now next question. Draw the angles using a protractor. Draw the angle using the protractor. Here we made 25 degrees angle. So first we draw line, ray. So first we draw here ray. Then keep the ray on last point, end point, and the base on horizontal line, then 25 degree. So 0, 10, 20 and 25. Put a dot here and join it. Put a dot and join it with a scale. This dot, it's make a 25 degree angle. 25 degree angle. Then given name A, B, C. ABC angles measurement is 25 degree. Now 45 degrees angles. First you draw ray. Ray. Then keep here ray. Keep here point. This point end point. This is called another point here Q. This one is R. Now 45 degree. So keep the ray on Q and check it the line properly. Then 45 degree. 40. Then count 5. Then put a dot. Then join the dot with a vertex. With a vertex this type. And it's make angle. This angle's measurement is 45 degree. And here write P. So PQR angle's measurement is 45 degrees. Same as it is 65 degrees. So first draw here ray. Then here end point S. And here write T. Then use the protractor. Then keep here this protractor properly. Then 65 degree. So put here dot and joint it with a ruler. And you given here name R. So RST's angles measurement is 65 degree. Now 100 degree. So draw here ray. Then put here protractor properly. This type. Then 0 to 100. Put here dot and put here dot and join it. So this angle's measurement is 100 degree. Given a name D, E and F. Angle DEF measurement is 100. Same as it is 110 degree. So 110. First you draw ray. Then here vertex. Then 110. So keep the point here and 110. So joined with a ruler. This angle measurement is 110 and given name here A, B and C. So ABC angle is 110. Now 150. So first you draw ray. Now this one is the end point. Keep here the protector on the end point and match the horizontal line properly and 150. So put a dot here, then join with a ruler. This angle 150. So give them name X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Here exercise number 12.1 is completed. Do it at your home. This all topic do it at your home. Thank you students.